doing here? Am I working?
I'm working too. I got this guy, he's up for 20 a rack.
What guy?
He's up 30.
So?
So I've been playing him off, that's what's so. Yo, Vincent! Vincent, we're on! Hey, Vincent! Can you believe this guy?
I mean, you slide some of this stuff, man.
Hey,
Probably
Vinny!
Granddad Wild Turkey, you'd hardly be lying. Don't even need iodine. It's a beautiful bourbon.
Pick me up at 10.
What?
I get off at 10.
Not without me, you don't. Do you?
Lately.
No, wait a minute. Come on.
No,
I'm talking bourbon, okay? You know the secret? These people, they get a hold of age.
Come on the snap, Vincent.
That kid's got a sledgehammer break. Bottoms up. Do you know who loves this stuff? The Chinese.
It must be the low fuse oil content.
Don't kid yourself. It has its effect. It's just like one of those things that you'd never think about, but can make your day like electricity.
Eddie, throw me another 20.
Who you working, me or him?
He's on the ropes, Eddie.
Come on the
He just
snap,
lucked
Vincent.
out.
Eddie, about those labels.
Yeah.
Can you get me some wild turkey labels?
Sure. Hiya. How you doing? Play him again, Julian. You really got him on the ropes.
You're going. I gotta see somebody. Oh, come on, one more game here. I'm bust. So let's just play. What? Let's just play for play, man. No money. Play? Show me what you got here.
Vincent.
Hey, Julian, I just want your best game. I think maybe the money's what's throwing you off here today. Okay, how about I win, no money. You win, I'll throw you 20. No? What's the matter with this guy? All right, Carmen, who's next?